Did you know that there are over 29 billion pieces of Indian currency notes in circulation, with a total value of more than 25 rupees lakh crore? With such a vast amount of currency in circulation, it's no surprise that many automated systems need help to differentiate between different denominations. With the Currency Notes Classifier, you can accurately identify and classify different denominations of Indian currency notes with an impressive training accuracy rate of over 95%. During 2021-22, out of the total fake Indian currency notes detected in the banking sector, 6.9% was detected at the Reserve Bank and 93.1% at other banks, the RBI report said. One of the major objectives of the 2016 demonetization of the then prevailing 501,000 notes was to curb circulation of fake currency notes. This highlights the actual need for accurate and efficient currency note classification systems to help prevent counterfeit notes circulation. AITS engineers have developed a low-code platform with templates to detect currency denominations using AI computer vision techniques and machine learning algorithms. Our pre-trained models are optimized for deployment on resource-constrained TinyML cameras, making them ideal for deployment on devices with limited resources. The Indian Currency Notes Classifier aims to accurately classify currency notes in various conditions, including torn, creased, and discolored notes with enhanced security features to prevent the circulation of counterfeit currency. If you're a developer or researcher interested in TinyML and computer vision techniques, consider signing up for Cainvas and using the Indian Currency Notes Classifier and other TinyML solutions. Visit canvas.aitech.systems for more information. Following URLs are referred to in this video. Check the description for the links. Contact us.